A wake-up call. This is how some have described recent attacks on universities. The reason to sound the alarm, they say, is that universities have become sites of ideological conformity and indoctrination. Woke professors with woke agendas making their students woke. The idea is to awaken the woke. Students need to be shocked out of their deep slumber of ideological conformity. But as a professor whose research and teaching might be understood as woke, I want to say to you, our students are already fully awake. They've been up for a long time. They have been thinking, talking, debating, researching, asking questions. In short, they have been learning. From here, recent attacks on universities look less like a wake-up call and more like someone pulling the fire alarm to end class early. Thanks.